Put a little salt on a lemon and your neighbors will want to know the secret. Stop spending money on scented candles and diffusers that lose their scent the same day. With salt and two other ingredients, I'm going to show you a trick that the most expensive houses in the world use to keep everything smelling good. Have you ever noticed how rich people's houses always have a nice smell in the air? Well, that's no coincidence. It's a simple trick. While many people spend money on air fresheners that lose their scent in a few hours, there are people using an old, easy, and cheap secret. When you try it, you'll ask yourself, why haven't I tried this before? Lemons have a power that almost no one talks about. Take one and cut it crosswise, but don't separate the pieces. The magic begins now. Throw 2 spoons of coarse salt right in the middle. This makes the lemon scent stronger and spread throughout the house. It's as if you had turned on a natural diffuser, only without spending almost anything. Then comes the trick, 2 spoons of alcohol. This is what makes the perfume last longer. Instead of disappearing the same day, it will stay for days. And the more you repeat this trick, the more your home will have that scent that makes you want to smell it again. Now pay attention, because there are 3 ways to use this, and each one has a different effect. The first is the guest style. That scent that impresses as soon as the person enters. Just add a few drops of your favorite essence. It can be lavender or whatever you have around. It will seem like your home was prepared for an important guest. The second version is more for use in the bedroom or bathroom. After preparing the base with lemon, salt, and alcohol, you add a capful of fabric softener. The one you love, you know? The result is a fresh-washed smell in the air. And the best part, it lasts for hours. The third is the anti-mosquito version, great for use near windows and doors. Here you put a handful of cloves. In addition to the delicious and different smell, the mosquitoes disappear as if by magic. It's as if you had installed an invisible repellent. Want to know where to put it to have the most effect? In the bathroom. The smell changes everything. It gives the impression of a clean, fragrant place, like a hotel bathroom. In the bedroom, it helps you relax. Many people have told me that they even sleep better. And be prepared. Your neighbors will come up with excuses to come over to your house just to smell it. But does it really work? I've been using this for over 2 years. And every time I do it, it seems like my house feels lighter. I know several people who stopped buying expensive air fresheners after trying this trick. It's simpler, cheaper, and really works. Want to try it? Try it today and tell me tomorrow. Finally, the most important thing. Don't put it off. Grab a lemon now and try the simplest version. In 10 minutes, your house will smell so good that everyone will notice it. Hugs to everyone and see you next time.